Hello, this is Rob Sager for Stat 301, working exam number 3, problem number 1. So starting out, our given is going to be x1 is 13, and out of so it's going to be 13 out of 100 motors, and that comes from supplier A. And our x2 is going to be 10, and still 100 motors from supplier B. So we're going to be trying to find the 10% significance test. So starting out, our null hypothesis is going to be P1 equals P2, and our alternative is going to be the opposite, so P1 does not equal P2. P1 is just going to be 13 over 100, which is just x1 over n1, 0.13. So P2, same equation, 0.1. Doing that, our pool proportion is going to be 23 over 200, which is our 0.115. Q, I think it's just going to be 1. I'm pretty sure, kind of guessing right here, but I think it's 1. P is just 1 minus, or Q minus your pool proportion, so 0.885. Our critical values from the Z table are going to be plus or minus 1.645. And then doing the test statistic equation, we do P1 minus P2 over the square root of PQ times 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. And plugging in those numbers, this is what I get. So the test statistic is 0.66. So our p-value coming down here, we do this to get our p-value to be 0.5092. And since our p-value is greater than 10%, we can therefore accept the null. And that's what I came up with for the answer, is to accept the null hypothesis of P1 equal P2.